Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change audio speed and pitch in video. This is CapCut tutorial. So if you use CapCut and you want to edit your video, this is the advanced version of CapCut. You can change the audio speed and pitch. Let's try. Tap on the project that contain audio I took from library. So you can tap on your video here and swipe and try to search the audio, this one, the extract audio. See, and this second, at the bottom there is a layer that this a extracted audio one. So after that you can try to search the speed, this one. So if you want to adjust the page, so please this uncheck. So but if you check this keep page, the page will not change. This is leave as a default. So you can adjust the speed here. You can increase the speed or you can decrease the speed as you wish. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.